It's May the 4th, 2024. I could not resist making another video here. I'm down on the ground, probably getting ticks all over me, but in any event, I'll take care of that when I get back to the house. I just wanted to report on the ground layer condition here in this particular site. I'm right next to the gate. You see, there's the gate over there. And inside the gate, I'm just focusing on this particular spot because it's quite beautiful in here. And as I've showed you before, there are a lot of white oak seedlings coming up from acorns. This tree right here, this beautiful white oak, dropping a lot of acorns. And I thought they were mainly out there in the open, but I see now there are a bunch of them coming up right here. And this ground layer is quite interesting. You can see the acorns there. Probably last year's, and some of them are germinating. These are probably a couple years old. Here's one. Here's one shooting up for the sun. And I'm gonna have to get in here and work on these guys a little more. There's one right there. You can see this beautiful white oak buds about to leaf out. And right next to it, a buckthorn that I just cut. So this is one of my spots. I've decided recently I can't make the entire 200 acres look beautiful. There will be some ugly spots, but this, I've decided, is a spot that I will come to seek beauty. And it's a beautiful evening here. The sun has come out and the sky is blue. The birds are singing. So I'm enjoying this evening. And also I've heard a couple new birds. Lots of woodcock out there in the field this spring rather. And the meadowlark, which I'm hoping will be a new trend.